Hi everyone! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to install Splunk Forwarder on a Windows machine. Splunk Forwarder helps you send log data from your system to a central Splunk server for monitoring and analysis. First, download the latest Windows Splunk Universal Forwarder from the official Splunk website. Make sure to select the correct version that matches your system architecture, either 32 or 64-bit. Once downloaded, run the installer and follow the prompts. Accept the license agreement and choose the default installation path or specify a custom directory if needed. During installation, you'll be asked to set an administrator username and password for the forwarder. Remember these credentials as you'll need them to configure connections later. After installation, open the Splunk Forwarder and go to the Settings menu to add the Splunk server details. Enter the server hostname or IP address and the receiving port where the data should be sent. Finally, save the configuration and start the Splunk Forwarder service. You can verify the installation by checking the forwarder status in the Windows Services panel or by reviewing the logs. And that's it! Your Splunk Forwarder is now installed on Windows and ready to send log data to your Splunk server. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.